Good morning, gentlemen. Today we are going to see the next topic, which is section 11.5 Techniques of Integration. This is also a continuation of the integration topic. We have already learned some of the basic formulas from chapter 11.1 onwards, and we have done some questions 11.2, and also have uploaded a video to solve some questions in 11.4. And here we are going to learn some more techniques to solve the integration questions. This is the first question, question number 1, page 586, which is integral of 2x power 6 plus 8x power 4 minus 4x divided by 2x square dot dx. If you look the denominator, this denominator is common, even though in the numerator we have different functions. The denominator is a common denominator. So what can we do? First we can separate, because 2x square is common for 2x power 6, also 8x power 4, also 4x. So what I have done in the second step, I just separated the functions by taking a common denominator for each function 2x square. After that, I have cancelled the common terms. 2 and 2 get cancelled, and this x square will go with the square, and the remaining 4 is left. And here the 2 and 8 will be cancelled, and there were 4, and the 2 and 4 will be cancelled. And when we, after cancelling all the terms, we get of integral of x power 4 into dx plus 4 is a constant, so I've taken outside of the integration at x square dx minus 2 into integral 1 divided by x into dx. Now we have to do the integration. We know the basic formula for the integration is x power n minus 1 x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here power n is 4, therefore 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1, x power 5 by 5 plus 4 into x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is x power 3 divided by 3 minus 2 into integral of 1 over x equal to ln x, the natural logarithm of x, plus c, the integration constant. And that is a very simplest question. And the next question is question number 5 and page 586, which is integral of 3 divided by square root of 4 minus 5x into dx, which is how to integrate this function. We have already seen there is a square root is available. If there is a square root is there, so the integration would be a difficult one. So first thing is we have to remove the square root. We all know by removing the square root will be, we can write in terms of in the power of 1 by 2. Therefore 3 is a constant. 3 integral of 4 minus 5x the whole power minus 1 by 2. How come this minus 1 by 2? Because in the denominator it is plus 1 by 2. I have taken the denominator function into the numerator, therefore the plus will become minus. So now we are going to introduce a let function. Let u is equal to 4 minus x. To solve this, we must introduce with another term. And when I introduce du, u is equal to 4 minus 5x, and when I differentiate, du is equal to minus 5 into dx. Now do the differentiation. So to the integration for this question, we'll get 3 divided by 5 into integral of 4 minus 5 x power minus 1 by 2 integral of minus 5 into dx. Now you may have a doubt, how come this 5 comes and how come this 5 comes. So in mathematics it's very simple. If you want to introduce any term, we can do with the method of multiply and divide. So when I multiply 5 and divide by 5, the answer will be 1. So 1 into dx. Why we have done? Because we have to introduce du. Du value is minus 5 dx. So in terms of minus 5 dx, we are going to put du. And in terms of this function 4 minus, in the place of 4 minus 5x, we put u, because u is 4 minus 5x and du is equal to minus 5 into dx. Here we don't have minus 5, that's why I have introduced minus 5 and divided by 5. Now when we substitute our functions u power minus 1 by 2 into du, because du is minus 5 into dx, and apply the integration formula. We know the formula, which is n plus 1. N is minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, and also half plus 1 is minus half plus 1 is half, and minus half plus 1 is half plus c. So what will you get? And the two, it's a reciprocal division of division, so we can take the reciprocal, flip it and multiply. Therefore 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6 by 5 into u power by 2 plus c. This is the answer, but we cannot write it as a u function because our question is an x function, and also we have taken u is equal to 4 minus 5x. So now substitute the value, you'll get the answer, which is 6 by 5 into, instead of u, you can write 4 minus 5x the whole power 1 by 2 plus c. So this 1 by 2 you can replace by square root also. That's also correct answer. 6 divided by 5 into square root of 4 minus 5x plus c. So these are the two questions we have solved now, and the remaining questions we will see it later. Thank you.